Otis, who chewed up the calendar in the kitchen? Was there a bad dog? Otis, come here. Come here. Come here. Who did this? Who did this? Who did that? Was there a bad dog here? Who did that? Who did that? This right here. Who did that?
What is this? Mia? Mia, what have you done? Hey. Hey. Mia? Did you do this? Come here. Come here. Did you do this? Mia? Mia? Did you do this? Did you do that? What about this? What's this? Hey.
That's what it came from. Let's go see what happens when we confront him about it. Ein. Hey. Hey. Come here. What is this? 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 Did you do this? Nah?
Someone was in the garbage. Someone was in the garbage. Who was it? Who? What? Bailey. What did... Bailey, what did you do? Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Come here. Come here. I think someone is guilty. I think someone is guilty. Bailey, come here. Come here. Come over here. Come, what?
Who did this? Luna. You did that?
Lou, what have you done? Was it you? Was it you? Right. What's this mess? We got a trail of chewed up plastic. Oh, that's the last piece. Was it you though? And did someone break in and do it? No, it wasn't you, was it? No? Was it not you?
Look at this mess. Look at that mess right there. Luke's shoes, who do you think did this? And there he is, gnawing on the table. The culprit. Hey! No gnawing on the table, Doug. What'd you do? What is that, huh? What is that, Doug? What'd you do? What is that? What'd you do, Doug? Huh? Did you get into the water bottles? Did you get in the water bottles, Doug? Huh? What is that? What is that right there? Bad boy. It's a bad boy. You don't do that. You silly goon. What's the matter with you? Doug. Little puppy. Alright. Don't do it again, you little puppy.